What's up guys? Welcome to another video by Goats on the Road. Holy shit, it's been a long time since we've done one of these. I'm a little older, a little grayer, and a little less hefty now, but Dariece and I both wanted to get back onto this channel that we've pretty much let die for the past couple of years, so this is our attempt at a comeback.
Nice comeback!
So I really hope that this video doesn't suck. If it doesn't suck, it'd be awesome if you could give us a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel so you can get more videos in the future. We wanted to share some more useful digital nomad and travel content and info on all of our channels to hopefully inspire a few of you to potentially consider this lifestyle. Or we just hope that at least you find some of these videos entertaining. In this video, I'm going to be sharing how travel bloggers are earning more money now than they've ever earned before. I'm going to reveal some secret stats that I have from my inner blogging circles and private Facebook groups.
That's awesome.
And give you some real hard numbers on how some travel bloggers are earning over $1 million per year. Let's get into it. Bah! So first of all, we're travel bloggers, but we haven't made $1 million in a single year before.
Help me, I'm poor.
This is all about travel blogs in general and how many of them are earning 7 figures per year or over $100,000 per month in some cases from their blogs. So stay tuned to the end of this video because I've got a special free gift for you to help you become a millionaire blogger if you want it.
That, FYI, was sarcasm.
So let's get into this. Here are 5 ways that travel bloggers are earning more money than they ever have before. Number 1 on this list is in-content ads. You know the ads I'm talking about. You see them on every site you read these days. You may find these annoying, but they pay very, very well. And they allow blogs like ours to continue offering free content because there's money to be made from ad revenue and ad networks like Mediavine. The way it works is once your blog gets to a certain level of traffic, you can basically flick a switch and turn on these ads across your entire website. There are travel blogs currently online that are earning over $1 million a year from these ads alone.
Excuse me?
I know this because one of our blogs is part of the Mediavine Pro group, which is only for blogs who earn $100,000 per year or more from ads alone, and I've seen people posting some insane numbers in there. The cool part is that these bloggers literally earn this money while they're sleeping. They could go on a 1-year holiday, not open their laptop a single time for the entire year, and this income would just keep rolling in. Number 2 on this list is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is when you recommend a product or service on your blog and you link that product or service using a special tracking link. When your readers click that link, it's automatically tracked, and if they choose to make a purchase, you get a commission automatically.
Commission accomplished.
Blogs can earn thousands of dollars per month from affiliate marketing alone. We started a second site a few years ago in the outdoor sports niche, and it earned a full-time income through affiliate marketing alone after just 1 year.
I don't know how to put this, but I'm kind of a big deal. People know me.
There are travel blogs out there earning over $100,000 per month from affiliate marketing alone. Again, this is all money that the bloggers could potentially be earning in their sleep.
Totally get it. That's baller.
Number 3 on this list is coaching and product sales. This is a relatively new aspect of blogs earning money online, but it's a very lucrative one. Blogs offer courses and coaching programs like the Goats on the Road courses, and they earn money by coaching others. Travel blog courses range from how to start a travel blog to growing a travel blog to a full-time business to things totally outside of blogging like travel consulting, finance, and saving money. We know of a few of our close travel blogging colleagues out there who have done over $1 million from their courses alone.
$1 million.
But what about physical products? We've all heard about selling merch online. It's a cool way for your audience to feel a connection to you by wearing your t-shirts and hats and donning the latest iPhone case with your logo on it. We've sold a bit of merch in the past when we first started blogging, but we haven't tried it since. However, there are plenty of bloggers out there who are earning hundreds of thousands of dollars from selling their merch, particularly those who sell it through YouTube. While not actually in travel, YouTube influencers like Mr. Beast have turned merch and product sales into a multi-million-dollar per year online business, and it's inspiring for us travel bloggers as well. Number 4 is press trips and sponsorships.
It's like people only do things because they get paid. And that's just really sad.
Press trips and sponsorships have long been one of the biggest draws for running a successful travel blog. Having tourism boards, airlines, hotels, and tour operators whisking you away to faraway destinations for free, and even paying you tens of thousands of dollars to enjoy their destination, flight, room, or tour almost seems too good to be true. But for many travel bloggers, it's not a dream, it's a reality. Through our own experiences and those of our blogging colleagues, we know all about these opportunities. Some companies are willing to pay upwards of $1,000 per day plus free travel for these types of sponsorships. In exchange, you promote their destination or company to your followers. It's really a win-win. Go on a 10-day trip and earn $10,000 for writing about it and posting photos and videos on your social media. It's a pretty sick deal. And number 5, the last item on this list of how travel bloggers are earning more money now than they ever have in the past is YouTube. YouTube is a tough nut to crack. Trust me, I know, I'm trying right now. But just as Mr. Beast earns hundreds of millions of dollars per year from his incredible YouTube channel, there are travel YouTubers out there like Drew Binsky, Kara and Nate, and Mark Wiens who have earned millions from their travel YouTube channels. YouTubers can earn income through ads that play during their videos, but also from sponsorships and partnerships with big brands. With more and more people watching YouTube in 2023 than ever before, there are likely to be more and more travel vlogging millionaire channels coming up in the coming years. Basically, there's more opportunity in travel blogging than ever before. Is it as easy as it once was to grow your traffic? No. These days, bloggers are hit by algorithm updates, social media bans, and more. But is it still worth it to start a blog today? Absolutely. If someone told me 10 years ago that our blog would be where it is today, I would have jumped at the opportunity. Travel blogging isn't dead, and starting our blog was still the best decision that we ever made.
Best decision I ever made.
If you want to start your own blog, we have a free course for that. And if you want to grow your blog, we also have a free training for that as well. Go to goatsontheroad.com/courses for more information. I hope you guys like this video. Make sure you like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.
A fucking goat outside.
It's just a goat.
No. It's a